Good morning, students. Class 7th. Today we are going to start the poem The Squirrel, जिसे कि हम हिंदी में गिलहरी कहते हैं. This poem is by Mildred Bowers Armstrong. Now, you may have seen a squirrel sitting on the ground eating a nut. What did it look like? Here is a poet's description of just such a squirrel. So, this poem is about a squirrel who is sitting on the ground and is eating a nut. At the time when this squirrel is eating a nut, the tail of the squirrel seems like there is a question mark. This is something which the poet has, it's out of the poet's imagination. So we will start the poem. He wore a question mark for tail, an overcoat of grey. He sat up straight to eat a nut. He liked to tease and play. And if we ran round his tree, he went the other way. It's a very small poem in which the poet is trying to tell us that when the poet saw a squirrel sitting on a tree and eating nuts, its tail was raised upwards with the tip pointing downwards. Thus, the tail seemed to be making a question mark. It had a great grey coat. So, here the poet from these lines is trying to tell us that when he saw a squirrel eating nuts while sitting on a tree, the way his tail was raised upwards, it seemed to be making a question mark. And the fur, the color of the skin of the squirrel was looking like a loose coat which that squirrel is wearing of grey color. And that is the reason the poet called it an overcoat of grey. Now, in order to eat a nut, it was sitting straight. And as we know, we can always see in our orchards that squirrel is a very funny and small animal. That likes to play with human beings. If human beings ran around his tree, the squirrel wouldn't be frightened. At the time when you see that when people ran around the squirrel, it gives us an impression that both the animal as well as the human being are playing, teasing each other and playing. Even the squirrel will also act in the same manner, and to do so, it would also run around the tree, but from the opposite side. It's a very funny animal which comes in the category of, if I am sure, rodent. And you can always see in and around a fruit tree, trying to grab some fruit and eating it. It has a furry body, which the poet says that it seems like an overcoat, because it is very, it's not a tight fit, it is a loose. So it seems like a overcoat which is grey in color. So the poet is trying to tell us that the appearance of this animal and its friendly nature with human being, that it plays with human as if by revolving round and moving here and there. So this is what this poem can be summarized by these words. In the next class, we will be discussing the question and answer, and then we'll continue the next chapter. Thank you.